Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share with you 5 apps that pay PayPal money fast. Now this morning I spent about 2 hours going ahead and doing research and looking on the App Store and the Google Play Store for different apps which pay out PayPal money very quickly. So on this video I'm going to share a couple of I found 2 new apps which have launched pretty recently. One launched the back end of last year. Now on here, one of the websites goes ahead and it pays you instantly, so there's no minimum withdrawal. Another one has a payout of $1, which you can achieve very simply. And these apps, I've tried to mix it up for you. I've tried to include a variety of things. So one of the apps I'm going to share with you, you simply download the app. Another one, you can earn money by going ahead and searching on Google and different search engines like that. Another one, you can go and observe products in different supermarkets and shops. And on this video, what I'm going to do is I'll just walk you through the website, the app, I'll show you some screenshots, I'll show you some reviews, and we'll just go over the whole process. So if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. So very quickly though, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you're looking for really simple, really easy ways to make money online working from home, then make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos daily about just genuinely really easy ways to go ahead and make some extra money. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So we'll start right at the beginning. So this is the first one that I found this morning. This is relatively new. It's called observernow.com. Now I'll drop links to everything I'm talking about below for you as normal, so don't worry if I'm going over these websites too quickly for you. So basically, how does it work? So if you just scroll down here, so download the app and you create an account, pretty simple. Then you go and select your location here, so you go and once you fill in your details, you confirm which location you're from. Then once you're logged into the app, it will show you opportunities which are available near you, and then you would go on to anyone that you want to go ahead and apply for, and you click accept. Now what you do need to know on here is that you've got 2 hours to complete it. So you've got 2 hours to complete the observation. So if you cannot go ahead and complete the job within 2 hours, then you'll have to start over. It says here you will have to start over, you have to start from the beginning again. So don't accept a job if you can't complete it within 2 hours. Just accept jobs which you can go ahead and easily get to and do that. And then once you've done this, it says, after you've gone and done the job, after submitting your observation, you get paid. And it says here, we will make a payment to your PayPal account, and they strive to make this happen within an hour. And it says, obviously, it can take up to 48 hours, especially on weekends and bank holidays, but they go ahead and they pay within the hour. So it's pretty cool. So if we come up here, I'm going to go over to the Google Play Store and just show you the app on here. So this is actually inside the app here. So once you've created an account, logged in, given them your location, you can start applying for these different jobs which are available. Now what you will be doing on here is you'll be going into you'll be going into a supermarket or a shop, and they will ask you to go and find a specific brand or a specific product, and then it gives you a bit of information about the product on here. So you can see here, this example here, this is a drink here, and it talks about the drink and the product and the background to it basically. If I go on to the next picture here, this is the sort of observations that you would be doing. So this one here, it pays $15. Now you can see here it says, today you'll be completing an observation for whichever brand you would be doing or working with. To complete this observation, you will be required to locate the product in the location. Once you've located it, you then answer a few simple questions and take some pictures, and then you upload it. And then again, it will show you it will tell you the name of the shop, where it is, the address, and also the opening hours. And then if I scroll here, oh no, let's come off this one here to the bottom here. So this is the app. As you can see, it's currently had 203 downloads, so it's pretty new, and it looks like it's got a rating of about 3.4, 3.3. But if we just scroll down here, it talks through some of the points about the app. So the average time spent is about 5 to 10 minutes, and an average payout is about $7.50, and that's on average. So I wouldn't take that as gospel. It's just giving you an indicator of, anyway, you can earn up to $7.50 up to 10 minutes, but I'd take that with a pinch of salt, to be honest with you. So if I scroll down here, here are all the reviews. Now what I really like about this, because it's a new app as well, the app is responding to every bit of feedback that they get on here, whether it's positive or whether it's negative. So you can see everyone who's leaving a review on here, they're going ahead and responding to them. So this person here left this review a couple of weeks ago saying that they got an instant payout on good money. They like that the observations are self-contained, so the pictures don't clutter up the phone. That's pretty cool. Scroll up here, this person here has done 3 jobs so far, which took an average of 45 minutes. So in total, they've earned $30. So this person here has earned about $13 an hour doing this. It says here, minimum payment for each job was deposited into my PayPal account within 2 hours. So fast payouts, really simple, no minimum withdrawal on this one. So this one here is Observer now. I'll drop a link below to that one for you. The next new app I found was this one here. Now this is called KasiaMagnetApp.com. Now this is only available on the Android phones, and it says here, so basically we pay you every minute for downloading this app, you do nothing. Now how this is going to work is you go ahead and you download the app, and basically it's just going to be, if I scroll down here I'll show you exactly what it's going to be doing. Come down here, so you see here, you do not need to perform any tasks, watch ads or play games. Earnings come in absolutely anonymous and passive here. Now the thing with this is what you're doing on here is you're downloading the app, and then the app's going to run in the background, and basically it's just going to be collecting your data. So if you're happy to go ahead and share your data with different companies and earn money for doing so, then you can download this app, do nothing, and simply get paid. But bear in mind that people are going to be finding out, you know, websites that you visit, in shops that you go into, what you're doing online, etc. And it says here it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. They've got payouts via PayPal, Amazon, Google Play Store, etc. So if you're interested in this, then you can go ahead and download this. And if you scroll down here, the minimum withdrawal on this site was, I believe, $1. How much can I earn? How much? It's $1, and I know it's $1 because I've got this in my notes. But where the heck is it? What is a minimum payout? Here we go. What is a minimum payout? The minimum payout is $1. Now what you can do with this as well is, it says you can actually download this on more than one device. So if you've got a tablet or like an old phone or something, then you can go ahead and download it. And it says you can have this on up to 4 different devices. But you're not going to earn lots of money with this. It's just going to be running in the background, collecting information about what you're doing, etc. But personally, I wouldn't be doing this one, but it's entirely up to you. I know people do like these apps where you just download them and don't do anything. If we go over to the Play Store over here, this is what it looks like in the app. So it shows you, you know, your income on here, how much you've redeemed. It's got the sales and dashboard, etc. But if we come over here, there's some examples here, so you can go ahead and cash out PayPal, Amazon gift cards. They've also got cryptocurrencies on here as well, and then just the usual stuff that you'd see in an app really. But again, if we scroll down here, so you can see here, this has had 516 downloads. If we scroll down here, it's got a current rating of 3.9 out of 5. And again, as they're new, they're going ahead and responding to comments on here. So that is, what is that? That is Kasia Magnet. That's that one there. Let me go on to the next one for you. So the next one is Sweatcoin, and we looked at Sweatcoin probably about 4 or 5 months ago. So basically how this works is you download this for free on the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then you earn points for simply walking. So however many steps you do, you then go ahead and you transfer those steps into their points on here, so into their Sweatcoin. So you can see here a total of 2,000 steps earns a reward of 1.80 Sweatcoins. So once you've got these Sweatcoins, what you do is, it's like anything, your points add up. In this instance that they're related to as Sweatcoins. Once you've got so many coins, you can then go ahead and cash them out. Now this here is a fitness brand, and obviously they're working with lots of different brands as well on here. So not only can you go ahead and cash out to PayPal and Amazon, they have other companies who they work with on here. So they've got many different things on here. So you can see you've got an anti-gravity yoga classes, high-tech shoes, iPhones, Apple Watches, etc. on here. You can also donate it to charity if you want. So scroll down here, let me go over to the Play Store for you. This is the Play Store. So this is what it looks like in the app. So a great way to stay fit, and someone's saying that they bought some shoes on here. But you see here, so this is on the mobile app, so this is the total number of steps at the bottom, then you transfer them into this currency here. Scroll over here, this is the offers for today, so this is where you would go ahead and transfer or cash out your Sweatcoins into these. So you can see like a snapshot on a day. They have daily offers where you can potentially get a product for a little bit cheaper than it normally would be. They've also got this on here, which is pretty cool. You can go ahead and turn any activity into a game. So you can, there's different people on here and different groups that you can join, where you're basically challenging people to go ahead and, you know, see who can do the most steps in a day. So you're encouraging each other to stay fit and earn points. And then you've got like a tracker every single day, so you can see, you can track it by the day, the week, the month, and then also the year. So let me come out of there. Again, let's have a look at the, so this had 60,000 installs, and again that looks like about 3.8, 3.9 rating over on the Google Play Store. So you can see here they've been featured in lots and lots of different online news outlets. So you can see they've been featured on the Telegraph, they've been featured over on Forbes. So this is a pretty big app, and I remember when this launched back end of, I think it was like November, December 2017. There was a lot of excitement around this brand, and it's just gone on to do huge numbers really. So that is Sweatscoin, and again, absolutely free. The last one I'm going to share with you is this one here. Now this is not a new app, it's been around for quite a while, this, and it's called Kumicom. Now what I like about this one is you can actually get paid to just search on Google, and it's not just Google, you can search on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, eBay, there's many more on there. So you can, every time you do a search, you can earn money and get paid. You can also earn money on here by shopping, you know, sharing your opinions, or giving surveys basically. If you scroll down here, this is where it's being featured, but look, this is what I like about this one here. Earn when you search. So you can earn cash when you search on your favourite sites with the free browser. So what happens here is you go ahead and you install the browser, and then what you do is you search like you normally would do, and then on the left side here, in fact let me show you this, I took a screenshot of it. So here on the left hand side, so you do your search as normal on here, and then on the left hand side it will bring up all of these links on Kumi. So instead of clicking on these links here on Google, on the left hand side you click on these links here and you earn money for doing so, because all of these ones on the left hand side, these are all companies and brands who are paying Kumi, and what will happen is every time you go ahead and click, Kumi will earn a commission, and then they will pay you a little part of that commission for doing so. And you can see here they've got some examples here. So in this example here, this stylish women's jacket, if you was to go ahead and click on this one here, this casuals women's jackets, you would earn 11 cents. You've got one here, 5 cents. You've got another one here, 12 cents. And what's also pretty cool is you do not need to go ahead and buy any of these things here. So if you was to go ahead and click on this, you'd earn the money. You don't have to go through and purchase anything, or stay on the website for like a certain number of minutes or anything. You earn for simply clicking on these links here instead of the normal ones over on Google here. So, come further down the page. So it's quite similar to many cashbacks really. So earn when you shop online. If you're shopping online, then you can earn cashback basically. And then there's also surveys on here. Scroll down to the bottom. You've got people on here, you know, talking about how much money they've earned doing simple stuff on here basically. But what's really good about this site is there's no minimum cash outs. So once you've done a couple of these tasks on here, once you've done a couple of searches, you can simply go ahead and withdraw that direct to your PayPal. There's no minimum withdrawal. It's really, really simple. It's available on Google Play, and it's also available on the App Store. Now if I come over here, this is just a couple more screenshots of actually the app. So here's some examples for you. So share your opinion on here. So this is different surveys. You've then got save money, so cash back on your shopping, and then you can go ahead and spend this on here. And you can see there's not just PayPal available, there's also many different gift cards and charity if you want to donate it there. Then got the frequently asked questions. Now on here again, I brought this up for you just to show about the minimum withdrawal. Where is it gone? Let's find this really quickly. How does it pay? How quickly does it pay out? So, here you go. Usually money will appear within your PayPal account within a couple of minutes of you asking for it. So as soon as you've gone ahead and requested your withdrawal on here, you will get the money within a couple of minutes to your PayPal account. Now if I go over onto the Google Play Store again, it's currently had 5,360 downloads with a rating of looks like about 4.1, 4.2. But scroll down here, it says on here you can earn cash via surveys, sharing it with your friends, save money, spend your rewards, etc, etc. But come down here again, lots of decent reviews on here. If they've got a negative review, then they're going ahead and commenting back to the people on there. So that is today's video. That's 5 different apps that go ahead and pay PayPal money fast. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave them below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.